Small investors have access to a plethora of relatively new investing platforms. As many people are just starting out in investing, the possibilities can be daunting. Depending on your investing style, account size, and skill level, new and old discount brokerages, as well as established organizations, provide free trading and a number of other incentives. Some applications provide good sign-up bonuses, while others offer superb robo-advisor possibilities. While each has its advantages and disadvantages, the choice may not be obvious, but you can make your own selection. These are the top 2024 investment apps. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. M1 Finance. This program is possibly the finest for stock selection and automated investing. It has grown in popularity in recent years. This is ideal for long-term investors who want the option of selecting companies and letting the app invest on their behalf. Individuals can use M1 to select a model portfolio managed by a robo-advisor. Investors can also manually construct a portfolio using fractional shares or ETFs, known as PIs by M1. M1 has both retirement and taxable accounts, both of which are free if you deposit at least $100 or $500. You must have at least $10,000 in your account to qualify for a line of credit with a flexible repayment schedule. You can upgrade to M1 Plus for $125 per year, which has a lower line of credit, additional stock options, and other perks. If you intend to use the app for research, you should go elsewhere. Furthermore, if you upgrade your account, you will only have one trading window each day, which may create concern for some users. Cryptocurrency is also an option. If you sign up using our codes, you'll receive a $10 bonus after depositing $100. Weebly. Although Weebly is newer than the other brokerages on this list, it offers an impressive mobile app, tollbooth features, and is aimed at advanced active and expert traders. It's ideal for commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, and options. However, it is presently all you can purchase or sell on the platform. Cryptocurrencies are a newer asset on the platform, but no bonds, mutual funds, or other assets are available. This brokerage app is compatible with both taxable and IRA accounts. While Weebly focuses on free investing and trading, it is best suited for investors with at least some market expertise. The program is simple to use and has several features tailored to active stock and options traders. For novices, the software may be a bit intimidating, but if you're prepared to put in the time to learn, the pricing may be reasonable. When you open an account, you will receive a stock worth $2.50 to $250, and when you deposit $100, you will receive a second stock from $12 to $1,400. As a result, the Welcome Bonus program is quite competitive. While many investors have abandoned Robinhood in favor of other platforms, it remains one of the finest options for a good all-around experience. It was the first to offer free stock trading. Trading is free, and they're working on introducing fractional shares with dividend reinvestment, something many other apps have previously offered. Robinhood also allows you to trade cryptocurrency. Although the mobile and web trading platforms are excellent, there are no retirement accounts available, making it less appealing to retirement planners. Its user-friendly app makes investing exceedingly simple for those who are new to it. Robinhood will provide you a stock worth between $2.50 and $200 when you register an account, which will assist you in getting started. TD Ameritrade. In the United States, TD Ameritrade is a major, well-established, and well-known brokerage firm. Its app is one of the greatest overall because of the variety of options available to both novices and experts. The default TD Ameritrade mobile app may be preferred by novice to intermediate investors. Professionals can upgrade to Thinkorswim, which offers Wall Street-style charts to your mobile device. Because they provide education savings accounts, this is an excellent brokerage for retirees investors and those saving for college expenses. Customers of TD Ameritrade benefit from commission-free stock and ETF trading, as well as option trades with no basic fees, which are benefits shared by other applications on this list, but there is no cryptocurrency option. TD Ameritrade stands out as a top pick overall, with different platforms that allow you to manage various sorts of accounts and access the most popular investing products and marketplaces. This is an excellent choice for seasoned investors, and the customer service is greater than that of other budget brokerages. They are offering a $100 incentive if you deposit at least $25,000, which is insufficient for modest accounts. Ally is well known for its low-fee online banking, but it also has an excellent investment platform. Ally Invest, available through Ally's mobile app, is a great low-fee brokerage with no fees for stock, ETF, or options trades. It provides a concentrated and efficient mobile investing experience. It doesn't have as many features as some larger apps, but it contains all of the essentials. Ally Invest makes it simple to get started by having no minimum necessary balance and a simple, user-friendly investment platform with instructional resources. You can access the Ally website for a more complete experience. When borrowing, expect higher margin interest rates. However, this is unlikely to affect beginners with basic trading and investing needs. Ally Invest is ideal for novices and individuals with basic investment needs, such as the desire to trade cryptocurrency. When you deposit at least $10,000 into a new Ally Invest account, you'll get a $50 incentive, with higher amounts depending on how much you contribute, indicating that it's geared toward more serious investors. A deposit of $2 million will only result in a $3,500 incentive. Stash seeks to make selecting investments, notably stocks and ETFs, simple and quick for beginners. A brokerage account costs $1 per month, plus access to Stash's online bank account and debit card, which includes a rewards program. The minimum amount is $0, and you can acquire fractions of a company's stock because Stash supports fractional investing. Stash also provides various account alternatives. You can receive the brokerage and bank accounts, as well as a retirement account, either a Roth or regular IRA, for $3 each month. Stash offers all of the above, as well as 2 custodial accounts for children, a metal debit card, an enhanced rewards program, and a monthly investment research report for $9 per month. This is ideal for beginning investors looking for guidance, but be prepared to pay a tiny charge in the form of monthly fees and expense ratios, even if it's likely well worth it if you don't have much expertise. Deposit $300 into your new Stash account, and we'll offer you a $50 bonus, giving you a 16% return right away. All of these investing platforms are excellent choices. They all provide similar services with certain advantages and disadvantages, so which one is best for you will depend on your circumstances. Established investors typically keep their assets with more established firms, such as TD Ameritrade, while new investors can benefit from a substantial incentive from Robinhood. As your account expands in size, you may choose to register a new account with a more established organization, even though they are all SITC, Securities Investor Protection Corporation, covered. The newest platforms are more likely to encounter random issues. After using a platform for a while, you may discover several shortcomings. Remember that if you are unhappy with the app service or something else about it, you can always switch to another app and receive a new welcome bonus. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?